progressively free education. Now, mama, you na ensha di biwa. Ya papa ni so be progressively free education. Bosho share no. Mesrel obia wo pese hu no kure ni bia Ministry of Education and then nyame adawroma right to information bill ekufu ado ne na ban de ba yenti open information a utuminya yamfa amawa utumi su wom. Yes, you see, we need to start triggering this thing. It will keep the government and whoever is leading on their toes. Hey, there you say them conform baby saniamasio. Hey, they say the people want to know the information about this and this. So once these politicians begin to understand, say, Nipa no mudi omosuna ye wa, they are enlightened and they are reading whatever they are feeding them with, they will come correct. Because when themselves why no cast or the idea ba or the ba and this forecast say one time premium etia kola entua bio Ghana for ye wo mo konegu adia na no mo si hutua ba ko awuntua bio no wo mo konegu ya papa mahama kofa Chris Brown be no wigu ye so adenti ayese be ye hope project LRG mo kai size can 10 billion Jesus Christ of Ghana. Like why can't Ghanaians just decipher? At the end of the same here. Obi say, Obe create employment hub 10 billion. Now all the 10 billion no more 1 million. I'm a Chris Brown dada. I'm an abe no mu wiko. Yan fe non ton chain. And wa kobon ye ka wendi so. XTS Korea deal. Ebe ye ka edemaye. Jida wendi so. Sada wendi so. Bird flu ba Ghana poultry farmers ho chire na aban who say yan kwaji sika ne yan farmer support we akuafo we no sika ne ba na Madam Chesteria bisiu Madam sika ne yan farmer support we akuafo we no sika ne ba na Madam Chesteria bisiu ejeye ne dia wo gene say wo so dia ye administrative and other functions. Yes, one fan come akuafo no wa divert here di. Satan no ya great deputy minister in Ghana and abisiu. Omendi so. Mekai 2020 and this one shame on me myself because I doubted the Kufuado and Bawumia. At a point I thought it was too ambitious. At a point I thought say Bawumia was just was promising too much or Kufuado was promising too much, especially when they said this. Adentia. Mex now platform we to catch say ebro chira me we me first school am call ye. Me student loan. Me no mo ka say me ntua me student loan kran we me guso. Me ntua we. Na Kufuado no mo ka so mo de guarantee free student loan beba na de ohia na wo Ghana card no. Na me say e de na mo okay. Ghana guarantee free. Na mo ska no omo kofa we. Na mo be den cry. In fact 2020 this promise of guarantee free student loan na dey mame to accept it and eat it, but eja ye na ejira mo de dey charge campaign ye yintino obey campaign my party, but se me ka kire o se na me gidi se na Kufuado ne Bawumia betumi ayesa de na me boa mo huro me boa. I never believed in this policy. As for this policy, I didn't believe in it. Rent free, that one I believed in it because now there were processes that has been done. But say you ma collect university loan. I ain't caneno. Who offer? Oh papa, oh nana, ni senate ya ukafie. Bebre na be waren. Enu nti ya mai bebre ni ebegina Medina, ye kofi ani afa omoko. Edu anumra na ebia ebegina La Paz e twen yen, ye kofi ani edu onko. Anya sa ye ntumi ntua ye fees. Kufuado ne Bawumia too no government for we buy almost your mobile guarantee. Na me say na mo na ya na ya say Ghana ya bruchira na. Canada ne ya guarantee free student loan we just you. America ni Germany. Wo mo na me masa na wo Ghana wo. Hey, Kufuado so don't me gwa enu mo. We too no papa. Wo no Bawumia ni na ono so tin hyan say mu dwa mo enu I was in my heart. This was what I was saying against my own party. Say giving guarantee free student loan in Ghana wouldn't be possible. Mama ye read here. Student loan trust fund disburses 12 million Ghana cedis to no guarantor student loan applicants. Please, did somebody read the same thing with me? 2020 manifesto promise of MPP say ye to me man kola ko free SHS dia. The implication is say ye benyan kola education. Just so ye man ye nimskenim. Ye ma amenu ni bi. SS grant ye ntumi amfa yankoi. Na say the university. Sadia. Ye ma kola na amfa ne Ghana card to say the abrochirefo ye no embeji loan. No fanko school. Now we real school. Why in the service? What start here juma 1 year? The second year when year juma was start. Now fe wo ye den. Utu and kakra de ma aban. Inti wako school ewie aban misa ohwe. Why your national service ye misa ohwe. When the juma why your 1 year ye misa ohwe. Your second year of working no, you start making arrangements to pay for your guarantor free student loan. Jesus Christ. This doesn't happen in Africa. Tom. Mention African countries that are doing this policy. Mama mi hu. Amu wa yo. African countries omu ya guarantee free student loan. No mo fama ye hu. Na mo ya beifu ade papa bi anya ade papa mamunti no, you will fight against such a policy. Because e ka mo nko ananko obi entumi nkan onte ase na matumi atwatora kire ye debia. You people chastise and bastardize this policy. Say it is never possible. And then no 12 million Ghana cedis to no guarantor student loan applicants. Yamasi become on tro. Yamfa information in Bremo. The Student Loan Trust Fund on Friday released a total of 12 million cedis as loans to students in tertiary institutions across the country. A total of 10,000 students. Oh my God, Ekufuado. Your God will never fail you, eh? Oh, dear mama, Ekufuado. Let them say all they want to say. Let them even say you are the worst person on earth. Ekufuado is okay. Your record would always put this demonic party into shame. Ekufuado, you and Baumia, the standard and the record you have set would always show how Boka for Jimmy for party and say they can never be compared to you, and that the God you serve is a mighty God indeed. Now, unim dia yemehi. Sa die we, unim dia yemehi. And this if one na ba benefit, e yo mun here for. Ma bobo bodam papa de we yenimo. Mo chungom lesi amode be ba awura se na e de ayehu. Adan, yanko awure, wedding si ya se be yanko. Yehu Togo slippers ya na ehye amode ba. Yenimo. Mo ho chire mo bre.